Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for differentiation. Kindly refers to the question. Given we have the function fx, as written in the question, we have cos 2x over 1 plus with the sine 2x. A shows that we have the first derivative or f prime x shown in the question. Let's say here we have the u and here we have the v. By using the quotient rule, where we have the dy dx is equals to v u prime minus u v prime over the v squared. So continue, we have dy dx, where we have the v 1 plus with the sine 2x bracket, multiply the u prime. So we have to differentiate the cos, where we will have the negative sine 2x. Differentiate the internal function, so here we have the 2. Minus u, so here we have cos 2x. Differentiate the v. Differentiate the 1, we will have 0. Differentiate the sine, and we will have cos 2x. Differentiate the internal function, and we have 2. Over 1 plus with the sine 2x bracket square. Kindly expand the situation. So here we have the situation negative 2 sine 2x. So if we expand the situation, we will have negative 2 sine 2x. And then we have negative 2 sine square 2x. Next, continue for this part. So we have to expand the situation, negative, we have 2 cos square 2x over 1 plus sine 2x bracket square. So kindly rearrange, or we can say factorize the negative 2. So if we factorize the negative 2, so here we will have sine 2x, and then plus we have sine square 2x plus with the cos square 2x over 1 plus sine 2x bracket square. So focus on this part. By referring to the basic identity, we notice that here we have 1. So if we rewrite, so we will have negative 2 bracket 1 plus with the sine 2x over 1 plus with the sine 2x bracket square. Notice that we have the common term. So we can simplify. Then finally we have the dy dx is equals to negative 2 over 1 plus with the sine 2x. So if we refer to the question, we can say the dy dx actually is the f prime x. So we already shown the situation given. Next, kindly refers to b. Given the situation, we have y is equals to e to the power of fx, where we have cos 2x over, we have 1 plus with the sine 2x. So let's differentiate the situation. So we have the dy dx. So how to differentiate the exponent? First, what we have to do is to copy the situation given. And then after that, we have to differentiate this part. So as we all know, if we differentiate this part, actually we are differentiate the fx. So we will get the f prime x. So the situation will be, here we have negative 2 over 1 plus with the sine 2x bracket. So that is the product for the dy dx. Next, what we have to do is to substitute the 0. So when x is equals to 0, so the dy dx will be equals to exponent, we have cos 0. So actually cos 0, which is equals to 1 over 1 plus with the sine 0. Actually the sine 0, which is equals to 1 plus with the 0. Continue, we have negative 2 over 1 plus, we have sine 0, which is equals to 0 as well. So from here, we have the dy dx, which is equals to e to the power of 1, multiply with the negative 2. So finally, the dy dx, which is equals to negative 2 exponent 1. So here we are. And Thanks for watching.